For the final trade of the day trader, Mike Shorr, Prosper Trading Academy, is with us now. And what's your trade of the day, Mike?
Yeah, so I'm looking at PayPal. PayPal's finally started to break out a little bit here, and it's gotten over its 100-day moving average at 86.5, and that's where I'm looking at as my support. And then we do have a little baby gap up here, up to a little bit north of 90. So, going out to next week, I don't know, I don't know if we want to hold it all the way through the week, but with proper risk management, that support should hold, especially if the markets continue to, I don't want to say, it's hard to call this a bullish market, but at least what we've seen is a lift off of the lows. So I continue to like PayPal, basically at every level, but this is a really nice place with some solid support under us.
It's an options expiration day. How do you go into this trading day, Mike?
Yeah, so with options expiration, I do think that there is a little bit, or maybe even a lot of it, of attention paid to it by mostly your financial news networks. Expiration isn't just announced. Everybody knows when it is. So if you have hedging strategies or even just actual plays on that you are going to continue, you don't wait until this goes away and then put on something else. It's expiring. Everybody knows it's expiring. And so you will see a rolling of those positions out as we get further on in the week. Now, what you can see is, especially in the afternoon of expiration, you can see some volatility, because if we get pinned at a strike, that is going to put a lot of your option players in play with their long and or short gamma positions, basically trying to salvage the position as we hover around a strike. But usually that's in the afternoon. So I would be very, very careful, if anything, of trading in that last hour, especially if we're just kind of sitting there. But, I really think that it's something, especially knowing as an options trader who was on the floor and had expirations every week, it's not that big of a deal. And it's not this big mystery that, there's suddenly all these positions that are just going away. I think it's a convenient way for people to kind of, it sells, right? People are like, oh, what's going on here and everything, like inside information. I wouldn't put that into, understand that it can happen. You can see some volatility, but really it's much to do about nothing.
That's an interesting take. Thanks so much, Mike Shorr.
Hey, thanks a lot for having me.
Go to businessfirstam.com for where to see our show on TV.